Ever tried to watch a video or use a specific Google feature only to be hit with an age verification prompt? It's frustrating, but it's actually a quick fix. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your age on your Google account so you can get back to your content in less than 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First, head over to myaccount.google.com/age-verification. I'll put the link in the description below. Sign into the account you want to verify. There are two main ways to verify. Method 1, a government ID. You can upload a photo of your driver's license or passport. Make sure your photo is clear. This takes a bit longer, usually up to 3 days, for a manual review. Method 2, a credit or debit card. This is the fastest way. Google will do a temporary authorization, usually around $1, to prove the card is active. Don't worry, they don't actually keep your money. Once you see that verification successful message, you're all set. All restrictions on your YouTube and Google services should be lifted immediately. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Got a question? Drop it in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching.